Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain tech and make it super easy for you to manage your digital assets. Today, we're tackling a common task: withdrawing Litecoin from your Arculus wallet to Kraken in 2025. With the evolving crypto landscape, this process has gotten even more secure and user-friendly, but we'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it confidently and quickly. First off, why bother with this? Whether you're looking to trade on Kraken for better liquidity or just moving funds for safety, knowing how to withdraw efficiently is a must. Before we dive in, make sure you have your Arculus Wallet app installed and updated, along with a verified Kraken account. Oh, and double-check that you have some Litecoin sitting in your Arculus wallet. Nothing worse than trying to withdraw from an empty account. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Arculus wallet on your smartphone or device and log in using your secure PIN or biometric authentication. Security is key in 2025, so enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Step 2. Once inside, navigate to the Assets or Wallets section and select Litecoin from your list of holdings. You'll see your current balance. Pick the amount you want to withdraw, but remember to leave a little for any network fees. Step 3. Tap on the Withdraw or Send button. This will prompt you to enter the destination details. Step 4. In the recipient field, paste your Kraken Litecoin wallet address. You can find this in your Kraken account under the Deposit section. Just make sure it's the correct one for Litecoin to avoid any mishaps. Step 5. Review the transaction summary, including the amount, fees, and estimated arrival time. In 2025, transactions are faster than ever, but they still depend on network congestion. Step 6. Hit Confirm and authorize the withdrawal. You might need to verify via email, SMS, or your auth app, always a good safety measure. After that, sit tight. Head over to your Kraken dashboard to monitor the deposit. It should show up in your account within minutes to an hour. If it doesn't, check for any error notifications or contact support. A quick tip: always use official apps and verify addresses to protect against scams. Crypto is exciting, but it's all about being cautious. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. See you in the next video.